special marine warning for coastal waters from Ochlockonee River to Apalachicola, Florida, out to 20 nautical miles until 9:30 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 8:25 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm capable of producing waterspouts was located near St. George Island. The severe thunderstorm was nearly stationary. Hazard, waterspouts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, waterspouts can quickly form and capsize boats, damage vessels, and create suddenly higher waves. Make sure all on board are in a secure location and wearing life jackets. Locations impacted include St. George Island. Thunderstorms can produce sudden waterspouts. Waterspouts can easily overturn boats and create locally hazardous seas. Seek safe harbor immediately. The National